Amplitude level shifter 1 root TB 0 minus root TB phi 1 of t, and this is nothing but the output you will get. The new thing here is the logic circuit, and the input is represented by BK. Input is represented by BK. The output is represented by DK, and whatever I get here is represented by DK minus 1. I'm not going to concentrate on amplitude level shifter or the multiplier. My main intention will be on the logic circuit now. So I'm going to put the circuit here. Input is BK. So I'm going to put a very simple circuit called XNOR. What is the circuit called as? XNOR. Output of the XNOR is called DK. DK, it is delayed by TB. Output of this goes to this one. So which gate is XNOR gate? So let me write the truth table. Every detail I am not going to write. So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Everybody knows XNOR gate. So if it is similar, you represent by 1. If it is similar, you represent by 1. If it is different, you represent by 0. If it is different, you represent by 0. So I will repeat, right? In this value and this value. If this value and this value are different, the output is 0 of the XNOR. If they are same, like 0 0 or 1 1, the output is high. Remember what, right? This output is delayed and is given here. So it is DK minus 1. Now I'm going for the next part of my video. I have taken a sequence, and the sequence is 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1. I have taken the sequence. I am going to tell you how to write the output for this. So the DK minus 1, don't write anything in the value, right? DK minus 1. So DK. So when you start, this is the starting point here. I'm going to mark the starting point here. So you cannot start because, right, there is a delay circuit. Can you find the circuit here? Delay. You need to know what's the previous value of the delay. The previous value of the delay can be 1 or it can be 0. So I can be 0 or 1. I can assume anything. So I'm going to start the previous value as 1. It can be 0. If you can start with 0, no problem. Now you can observe here, this is the present value and the previous value. XNOR, I get the output. So 1 and 1. Please observe here, 1 and 1 I am going to write here. This is the previous value stored in the delay. This is the present value. So 1 1, right? They are same. So output is 1. 1 0, they are different. Output is 0. So 0 0. So they are same. The output is 1. 1 1, they are same. The output is 1. 1 0. 1 0. So different, right? So output is 0. 0 0. Again it is 1. Then 1 1. Correct? Again it is 1. 1 1. Again it is 1. Now to write the DK minus 1 value, whatever value you get here, you just move it on 1 1 1 1 1 0 0. You just move the value here 1 1 0 0 1 1. This value move here. This value you move here. This value, right? You can move. You can move here. This value you can move here. This value you can leave. Last value you can leave. So now let us talk about the phase. Now the value for DK, if it is 0, the phase is pi. If it is 1, the phase is 0. So I am going to say 1. 1 means the phase is 0. 1, the phase is 0. The phase is pi. Correct? Again it is So 0 pi, again 1, so it is 0, again 1, it is 0, again it is pi, 0, correct, 0, and the last value will also be 0. I'm going to show the overall of this. Just observe here the overall how it is written. In the exam they are going to ask, I will repeat, observe. Write down the data sequence here. First value can be 0 or 1. If it is 1, same 1. If it is 1, 0, then it is 0, different means 0. And remember, this can be 1 or 0. You can start with any value. Now when I say decay, then phase. 1 means 0, 1 means 0, 0 means pi, 180 degrees phase shift. Correct? 1 means 0, 1 means 0. Correct? And remember that this is 1. This is the previous value that is stored in the delay. Now I'm going for the next part of my explanation. See the next part of the explanation. X of t is the received data. Right? I have got a multiplier here. 0 to tb integration dt deal, right? The only difference here is you have got a delay, because I have used the delay here. See, output of this one decay comes back here, correct? Same way the output of the, right, whatever is integrated is given forward, not backward. So is delayed and is whatever you get here is multiplied with this value, correct? Similar way, when I get to receive x of t here, I have got here cos phase shift of minus 90 degrees. Again you multiply the value here, 0 to 2 integration. You can observe the only difference is delayed forward. Then it is multiplied with this value, again it is given here. And this is the output you have got here. So what is y? This plus this is nothing but the y, correct? So what I say here, right, y, I have got say that y greater than 0, correct? Y greater than 0, output is symbol 1. Y less than 0, the output is symbol 0. So I will just show the diagram one more time. When we see the data, cos, integrate, only thing is you have to delay, forward delay, whatever you get here, delay and multiply. Same way here also, s of t minus 90 degree phase shift, whatever I get here, right, integrate, delay forward, whatever you get here, multiply with this and move forward. Add these two, you get the output here and you can get the value.